This guy is so much bigger than Sully. Someone had him. Either they couldn't keep him or something, because if he's been wild up till now, I had to wrap Sully in a towel the first couple days. No, we didn't do the dogs yet, but we will. He's not taken to the crate, as you will see in the video very well. He's surely taken to grooming nice. That's a good boy. He is very happy right now. He's just a good baby. He's a good baby, aren't you? He's a good baby. Belly needs done more. I never seen a cat put their tail between their legs like that, though. Thank goodness we don't have fleas. We have mites, which I don't know which is worse. He has a couple claw marks on him here and there. I don't know what happened to their mom. I haven't talked to the neighbor yet to see if they have her or not. I haven't seen her. Those wild cats around here disappear. Well, she's not wild, but they can't keep her in. She likes being out free. So maybe she's in because they got her spayed. They were going to take her and get her spayed as soon